Hi, I'm Luann Weeks. Mosaics is a fun art form, and depending on the materials you use, can be a little precarious. So before you start any mosaic project, the very first step is to ensure you always practice safety. Glass shards, powders from thin sets and grouts, fiberglass mesh, and many other things can be hazardous to your eyes, lungs, and skin. So be sure you wear protective eyewear. And occasionally a dust mask and gloves are called for when working with powders and fiberglass mesh. Now these can also be very hazardous for other members of your family and your pets, so be mindful of this as well. Now one good safety tip is to never use your hands to brush away shards. Always have a small brush available for sweeping away these shard pieces. And even though I'm careful, I always keep a box of Band-Aids on hand just in case. Another good tip is to get up and stretch about every 15 to 20 minutes or so and walk around so you don't create or aggravate any back or muscle issues by sitting or bending over for long periods of time. So be safe, practice safety, and that will ensure that you enjoy mosaics for a long, long time. And as always, if you have questions, please chat with me at I-C-Mosaics.com.